Dare to Compare, Chapter 1, Food Services, Page 3, Chapter Scenario. In this chapter, you will meet two people we will follow throughout this entire book, Victoria and Cedric. Victoria is the manager at a vegetarian sandwich cafe. Cedric works for her. He is her employee. They are co-workers. And he is also a storyteller. A storyteller is a person who writes and tells stories. They share an interest. They both have an interest in public services. And they want to maintain, or they want to keep, a high quality in what they do. Look at the pictures on pages 2 and 3 of your book. Then, try to answer the following questions. Let's take a look at the pictures. What type of service does he provide? What's his occupation exactly? Can you name one thing that is required to have that job or to hold that job? What's he carrying now? What do you think is in those boxes? Let's go to another image. What's her occupation? In your opinion, where does she work? Can you name 3 of her duties? Could you name 2 skills required in her job? Let's go to the next image. Where do the people dressed in white work? What is their work exactly? When do they work? Do you think they work on weekends? In what way is their work different because of the place where they work? Let's go to the next image. What type of work does this person do? Where does this person work? Can you name the type of establishment this person works in? What is the person doing right now? Let's go to another image. What type of food or cuisine is illustrated here? Name 5 different types of food. Let's go to the next image. What does this person do? What's his occupation? Where does he work? How is he paid for his work? Let's go back to page 3. Now let's look at the questions. What kind of food does each service offer? Go back to your notes and try to answer this question. In your opinion, who has the most interesting job and why? In your opinion, who has the most difficult job and why? Where would you expect to get better customer service? To get means to have, to obtain, to receive. So where would you expect to receive better customer service? Last question. Where would you expect to be served quickly? Quickly is a synonym of rapidly, or in a timely manner. Timely, T-I-M-E-L-Y, timely manner.